A long-reach excavator was abandoned in a stinky ditch, and now, whoever has the ability to rescue it gets to keep it, of course. Bearded Bro wasn't about to miss out on such a bargain, so he dispatched a black dark warrior trailer hauling a Sani excavator to the site. After a quick 2-minute careless deliberation, the rescue team decided to use the Sani's raw power to yank the trapped machine straight out. They didn't just pull blindly, though. The plan was to snag the trapped excavator's bucket first to drag the whole thing out. No sooner said than done. The Sani hooked the bucket and powered up. The bucket reached the bank smoothly, but thinking they could pull the entire excavator up like that was just wishful thinking. Pure toad dreaming of swan meat. With no other choice, the team replanned, deciding to use rescue ropes to secure the tracks and chassis so the Sani could give it a hard pull. But while the ideal was plump, reality was skinny. Even with the Sani flooring it, the trapped machine stayed flat in the muck. After several failed attempts, Bearded Bro spotted the issue. It wasn't that the Sani couldn't pull, but that the roadside was too high, blocking the path. He immediately started digging to level the ground, and once ready, the Sani refastened the ropes to the trapped machine. Sure enough, this step worked wonders as the excavator slowly began to move. Bearded Bro kept at it with his dig and pull strategy, and after 3 years of relentless effort, this trapped Japanese excavator was finally hauled up. Bearded Bro says he plans to sell it later for $500,000 United States dollars. Do you guys think he'll actually find a buyer?